Hello. Today I'm going to be showing you how to replace a file on your YOUCANIC scanner. This will only ever need to be done if a software update goes wrong or you were accidentally shipped a faulty unit. This is not to replace software updates that should be done regularly. If you're experiencing any issues with scanning or accessing control modules with your YOUCANIC scanner, you should first run software updates to make sure that everything is up to date. And if that does not work, contact us. Now, the file that we will be replacing is this zipped folder here. Occasionally, our software development team will send you a zipped folder instead of an unzipped folder. All you need to do is right-click and go down to Extract All. I have already extracted these files here, so I'm not going to extract again. The next step would be to transfer it onto your USB drive that you have plugged into your computer. So you can do this by just grabbing and dragging it into that drive. Once the files have been successfully copied over, you can go ahead and right-click on the USB drive and select Eject. Now you can safely unplug your USB drive from your computer and connect it to your YOUCANIC scanner. Once your USB drive has been connected to your scanner, you're going to go to the second page of the home screen and select Auxiliary Tools. Next, you want to go to File Browser, and you should see two options available, Internal Storage and USB. First, we're going to go into Internal Storage. We're going to select UCAN2, and then go to Scanner, and then Diagnose. This file here will be named something different depending on the serial number on the back of your scanner. Go to Vehicles, and then find the file name that matches the files our software development team has emailed to you. In this case, we're looking for the BENS files. So the first two files that we are going to replace are in this tab, and the next two are two folders over. So first, we're going to press and hold to select this first file. We're going to go to Rename, and we're going to rename it with .old at the end. In this way, if we ever need to access these files for whatever reason, they're still in the system. This is the other file that needs to be replaced, so we're going to go ahead and select and rename this one as well to .old. Okay, and the next files are going to be a little trickier to find. Here they are. Select and rename. And then select and rename. Once the files that you need to replace have been renamed, you can go ahead and select this small home icon on the top of your screen, and you're going to go down to the USB. On the USB, you're going to find the files that you're looking for, and we'll start with these two. Because they're in separate folders, we can't copy them all at once, but we're going to select these first two and select Copy. And now we're going to press this small Home button on the top of the screen again and go back to Internal Storage. Scanner, Diagnose, Serial Number, Vehicles, BENS. Now here, we're going to select Paste to paste our new files into this folder. We're going to press the Home button again, and then go back to our files to select the other two. And same thing, we're going to copy, press the Home button, go back to Internal Storage, and then UCAN2, Scanner, Diagnose, Serial Number, Vehicles, BENS. And this time, we're going to go into this RES file, and then go to Text, and paste the other files in here. and you're done. If you run into any trouble during this process, feel free to email us at support@youcanic.com. This is a rather complicated procedure, so don't get frustrated if you can't figure it out the first time.